What's up, everyone? Today, let's talk about Warren Buffett's famously humble $31,500 house that he bought back in 1958. That may sound cheap, but adjusted for inflation, it cost about $330,000 in today's dollars. Flash forward to now, and that modest home is now worth an estimated $1.4 million. But here's the crazy part. Even though Buffett says it was one of his best investments ever, he admits he probably should have just rented instead and put that money into stocks. I know, crazy, right? Coming from the guy who's still living in the same house 60 years later. See, while Buffett loves his longtime home and it's brought him happiness, he wrote in a letter to Berkshire shareholders that he would have made way more money renting and investing the cash. Because with his investing expertise, that $330,000 would have grown to astronomical amounts if put into the stock market back in the 1950s and 60s. Now, don't get me wrong. Buffett thinks owning a home makes sense for most people, but he warns buyers not to overextend their finances or take on too much debt. That can turn into a nightmare if you can't manage the payments. And with rising home prices and interest rates lately, it's tougher than ever to buy. That's why some folks are turning to fractional real estate investing instead. With as little as $100, you can buy shares of rental properties to earn passive income and build long-term wealth. It opens up real estate in a flexible way. Now, although Warren loved his modest home, he did also own a vacation property in Laguna Beach that he bought in 1971 for $150,000. After being on and off the market, it sold in 2018 for $7.5 million. The four-bedroom beachfront house was still pretty simple for a billionaire, but it shows Buffett treated himself every once in a while to a relaxing coastal getaway. Can't blame him for that. So the lesson here is think hard before buying a home, even if you have the means like Buffett did. Crunching the numbers, renting and investing may ultimately earn you more money like it would have for Warren. Let me know what you think about Buffett's take on home ownership. Don't forget to like and subscribe.